This is my 8-year-old Century pool motor pump that has recently gave out on my Sta-Rite pool filter. You can tell when your pool motor fails by this very distinct sound. That ear-piercing sound is the sound of your motor's bearings that are shot and ready to fail at any moment. I'm replacing this with the exact same motor by Century, the B2858 motor, which was a 1.5 horsepower single-speed motor. First step is to turn off the power to the pool pump. You do not want to shock yourself. Now we remove the band clamp to separate the motor from the rest of the system. Next, it's time to disconnect the wiring to the motor. Very simple here. A simple trick is to use your camera on your iPhone and just take a picture so you don't forget about it. Now just remove the wiring, of course. Now just remove the 5 bolts on the housing here. After the housing's off, you can see the impeller, which you can take off by putting a crescent wrench on the back and twisting the impeller counterclockwise to take it off. Now there's 4 bolts holding on the seal plate, and 2 of them are longer, so keep that in mind. When you're replacing a motor, you have to replace all the seals and gaskets. This is the Go Kit 6, and it comes with all the O-rings, gaskets, and seals that you need. Except for this one seal that I think goes here, but it didn't fit, so I don't know. Now it's time to grab the new motor and put it back in its place and put the seal plate back on and the 4 bolts. I went ahead and put the spring seal in after lubing it so I wouldn't forget. Make sure to only lube the rubber bottom and not the metal part on the top. And the impeller can go back on now and hand tighten clockwise. And now replacing the seal for the housing, lube it up and put it on. Make sure you put it the correct way, which I remember from the stamp at the bottom. I'm also going to replace this huge O-ring that goes on the other side of the seal plate, and it's really simple to do. After that, it's time to put the motor back in its place and just push it all the way until there's no gap. The band clamp will do the rest of the work, sealing this watertight. The wiring is super simple if you bought the exact same model. Just put all the wiring in the exact same place. The seal kit also came with the new O-ring for the lid right here, so I will replace that. Lastly, before starting the new motor, you must prime the system. If you don't, your whole pool motor will explode into a million pieces. After you primed it, it is finally time to turn it on. Nice and quiet, like it's supposed to. The kit also came with this square seal, which I didn't use because it wasn't leaking. Thank you for watching. Here's the info plate. If this video helped you, please like the video. Bye.
In the days when I was young, I'm not a kid anymore. But some days I sit and wish I was a kid again. Back in the days when I was young, I'm not a kid anymore. But some days I sit and wish I was a kid.
And everybody say, I remember way back when. And everybody say, I remember way back when. And everybody say,